Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be getting a puppy, and he is a platinum Parti-Yorkie puppy. He's 12 weeks old today and he's so super cute. So I'm really excited to get him, and I'm just going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be bringing with us to pick him up at the breeder's house. And I'm really excited to get him because he's so super cute, and I'm really excited to show you guys. Before we start this video, comment what you think his name is going to be. I'm going to be revealing his name probably later in this video. So here's everything I'm going to be bringing with us. First is this little fleece blanket. It's super soft and it has my scent on it. Then I have this little portable little baby blue colored portable water bottle. Then I have 3 cute little toys for him to play with on the car ride home, such as this little froggy, hamburger, crinkly, and squeaky toy. Super cute. Then I have this little firefly crinkly toy, and I also have a squeaker. It's super fun to play with. Then I have this Armis bow, which is super cute. Then I have some of these little training treats, and they're super cool, so I'm really excited. And lastly, we have this bed. It is a blue color, and it looks super comfy, as you can see. And he's going to be sleeping on this on the way home. We're a few minutes away from the breeder's house now, and we're gonna meet the puppy for the first time. So let's go.
Here, girls, go ahead. Boys and kids, there you go. Y'all do that while I finish this with Mom.
Oh.
Bye, 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 bye.
So I just got him from the breeder's house, and he's so cute. He's like platinum Parti-Yorkie, and he's like this. His name is Armis, and yeah, he's so cute and fluffy. Anyway, yeah, that's him, and I'm going to see you guys at my house. Hi guys, so this is his little setup. He's in his little playpen, and his crate is over there with his food bowl and then some of his food, and there's a blanket over the crate. And this is the pee pad. So this is him. He's really wild right now. Oh, yeah. And then we put some of his toys in there and a blanket. So he got really wild when he came home. He's so cute. Oh. We put some of his food right there, and he's not really eating a lot right now because he did just come home. In the car, he actually threw up on my brother. I think he got car sick. And now he's kind of doing better, but he's really, really wild. Like on a camera, he's not that wild anymore. He loves squeaky toys. So now he's being a really good boy, and he actually went inside the crate himself, and he's just laying in there. He finally calmed down a little bit because he was really crazy before, but he's so cute in there. So I tried teaching him some tricks, and so far I've kind of taught him sit and touch. Touch? No. Armis, touch. Good boy. He's doing pretty good. Here we have Alexa playing some relaxing music for Hermes to sleep to, and he just crawled into his crate by himself, which is so nice, and he's about to go to sleep. He looks super sleepy. This is the first night, and right before he also just peed on the pee pad, so that's super great. He peed on there. And yeah, he's just getting ready to go to sleep for the first night at our house. He's so cute. And he's so cute. He's just in there. And we also have a camera right here to see Hermes at nighttime and basically at any time. And it's super cool. And I'm going to insert a clip of it right here. So right now it's like around 7 a.m. and I just woke up because it's a school day, and last night he did not cry or whine or bark or anything, and at 1 a.m. he did pee and poop on the pee pad, and I'm going to insert a clip of that right now. Right here is his breakfast. I'm just gonna put it in. We were playing with him a little bit and exercising him. He's right here. He likes falling toes a lot.
Oh my God, what happened? Oh my goodness.
Okay, so now I'm just going to be taking Hermes to the vet for a checkup in his little carrier that the breeder gave us. We put his little blanket and a toy in there. So he's just gonna go in there now. We're gonna zip up.
Okay, let's go check out. Let's go. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. So right now we're taking him to the vet. It's a 5-minute car ride. And he's just in his little carrier. He's really calm right now and super cute. But yeah, run away there. Okay, so we're at the vet now, and I'm going to take him out of the carrier. Hermes! He's kind of car sick, that's why he's not as wild. There's a dog over there, so if you hear barking, that's like a German Shepherd, I think. He's just standing there. So cute. Okay, so here we are.
Here we are.
Okay. Look at this, so cute.
All right, let's go right over here.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, here we are at Home Goods. We're gonna come in, check out the stuff. This is Irma's first shopping trip. Okay, let's come in.
Okay, so we are home from the vet. Here he is. He's so much more calm. He's so fluffy. Yeah, he's just going around now, sniffing everything again. So here is a piece of cooked broccoli, and this is going to be his first time eating some of it. Sit. Good boy. He's trying to eat it now. So now I'm just going to be training him, and you guys will be able to see that. So I'm going to use this type of treat first. First, I'm going to be training him to sit. And as you can see, he just peed there, which is super good. Sit. Good boy. Oh, he's not eating the treat. Right there. He did a good job on that. Armis, sit. Good boy. Doing so well. I only started training him like last night a little bit, and today he's doing super good. Oh, now he's on me. So cute. Armis, touch. As you can see, I'm still training him sit and touch. So this is Armis's first time on our deck and outside while he's at our house. And first time on a leash too. So we're only gonna let him be on here because he hasn't had all his vaccinations. And yeah. He's not really used to the leash yet, so that's... Armis? Alright guys, so little Hermes is going to sleep now because it is around 9:30 p.m. So he's going to sleep now. He's been doing really good today. He learned a lot of tricks. He did kind of bite, but that's part of being a puppy. And yeah, I think I'm going to end this vlog today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Yeah, good night. Bye.